Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best fishing stove that you can buy today. There's no doubt that it's among the most vital items we carp anglers take fishing, be it for cooking a warming meal during a winter trip or for those all-important gallons of tea. It's certainly one of the first things that gets packed in my carry-all for any trip, regardless of whether I'm doing 3 nights or just a day. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing camping stoves for fishing. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best camping stove for fishing, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now, let's get on with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Insta-Fire Inferno Outdoor Biomass Stove. This stove is specifically designed to be a portable companion in the great outdoors at your fishing location or the backyard during a crisis. This beautifully designed stainless steel stove combines science, safety, and efficiency. The legs are coated with anodized titanium, which protects its steel slate design. It also is the first all-purpose biomass-fueled stove that you can control the heat with a USB-powered fan from 425 degrees up to 1,200 degrees. The temperature control prevents you from burning cooked foods or undercooking them. Small holes on the lower sides of the stove provide ventilation, forcing heated oxygen up through the stove. The heated air is fed directly through the top holes, creating secondary combustion. This allows the Inferno stove to reach such high temperature, with smoke-free fire and minimal fuel consumption. The pros are, it's lightweight and compact. It can boil water in 3 minutes, and it can use multiple fuel types. However, the fan to control the heat needs batteries that are not included, and it doesn't seem very durable. This is a great little compact and portable stove that will do you well for fishing, as long as you look after it and don't bang it around too much. In at number 4 is the Campy Wiry 2-in-1 portable propane heater and stove. This is a clever 2-in-1 tent heater that doubles as a camp stove. We love that the Campy Chubby is built for multi-fuel use, which means you can either attach a standard backpacking fuel canister inside the base, or hook it up to an auxiliary propane canister using an external hose or adapter. Regardless of what you fuel it with, it cranks out an impressive 9,000 BTU and can sustain that output for up to 2.5 hours using a compact 230-gram canister. Of course, it'll go for much longer on a lower setting, and there is a knob to dial in the ideal amount of heat. If you want to extend your burn time even further, you'll have to spend extra money to get Camp Gear's hose adapter set up, which is kind of a bummer, but we can't really complain considering the price. The pros are, it doubles as a heater. It has multi-fuel compatibility. It gives 360-degree heat, and it's compact and portable. However, there is limited burn time with the internal canister. It requires a hose adapter for use with standard 1-pound or full-sized propane canisters, and it's lacking safety features. If you do a lot of fishing in cold weather, then this could be the perfect option for you. The 3rd product on our list is the Jetboil Flash Camping and Backpacking Stove. A tried-and-true basic model, the Jetboil Flash has all you need to boil water fast. It's cheaper than several other integrated canister stoves and highly efficient when wind isn't a factor. We like the color-changing heat indicator on its cozy that lets you know the water is ready before it boils over. Key features include a 1-liter insulated pot, piezoelectric ignition, water temperature indicator, and a secure connection between burner and pot. The Jetboil Flash is a great deal for a good product. It is an excellent little companion for any short backpacking or alpine mission, as long as you like food that only requires boiling, such as freeze-dried astronaut food and ramen noodles. The Flash has lots of great features, such as the heat indicator, and comes in a compact, lightweight package. The pros are, it's compact, it's lightweight, it has a fast boil time, it's stable, and it has an insulated pot. However, the pot is small, and it's not versatile. You can't really go far wrong with this Jetboil system, especially if you want something compact and lightweight to carry with your fishing gear. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the Kettle Ultimate Scout Kit. This is an outdoor kettle that works by making a fire inside the chimney of the device that rapidly heats up the water chamber. The Basecamp Ultimate Kit Comes with a cook set, pot support, hobo stove, cup set, and carry bag. With this kit in different combinations, as well as heating up water, you can also cook food using the hobo stove. It's quite adaptable in its design. It's lightweight and fairly compact, but given its size, Kettle acknowledges that it isn't the best option for backpacking, but it is perfect for a fishing trip. The stainless steel option is a bit heavier, but tougher and less likely to dent. It's easy to get the fire going quickly with small sticks, though you do need to keep an eye on the fire, as if you don't constantly feed it through the top, it can die out fairly quickly. I was surprised how quickly it boiled the 1.6 liters of water, around 5 minutes. The pros are, there are a lot of options with the accessories. It's quick to boil water once the fire is established, and it has clever packaging. However, it needs dry fuel, so not ideal for mountain survival, and it's large in comparison to gas stoves. This is a great kit to take on mini day trips to the lake for fishing or for taking on fun kayaking trips down a river. It will stand up to some heavy use too. The best fishing stove is the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp Backpacking and Camping Stove. If you are a fisherman that wants to conserve space and weight, then the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp is a great model to consider. This lightweight and low-profile setup simmers beautifully, is easy to care for, and is by far the lightest and smallest way to haul around 2 burners that we have found thus far. The savvy design offers good heat distribution, easy assembly, and the patented Jetlink port, so you can hook up your Jetboil and run it all off the same fuel source. The major drawback to this stove is the price, but sometimes you have to pay for quality and convenience. We feel confident that you will love using this stove. The pros are, it has a low profile, it's lightweight, it's easily portable with the carrying case and handles, and has auto-ignition levers are easy to use. However, it's expensive. This is a neat stove. It boils decently, fends off the wind adequately, simmers like a dream, and packs away the smallest and lightest of all the 2 burners we reviewed. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.